Hi viewers. Today we talk about a pressure pond filter, with 18 watts UV lamp, for filtering the fish ponds from the SUNSUN brand. Model number CPA 15000. This filter can be used for the pond size up to 30,000 liters without fish and 15,000 liters with fish. The maximum pump can be used should be 10,000 liters per hour. It has an integrated 18 watts UV lamp which kills the algae in the pond. The installation has been easy and can be done by yourself using the instructions provided. The water is passed through the pressure pond filter with the help of a pond pump and returned cleanly into the pond. It has a mechanism to clean the dirt without opening the filter. Just need to change the direction of the flow to make it flow through the backwash pipe and start rotating the special lever provided along with the filter. This will clear all the dirts easily. It took 3 days for our algae-rich pond to get clear water. Now the fishes are happy and the water is very clear. It is running for the past 3 months and still the pond maintains its crystal clear water. You can use this for having a clean water for your garden ponds or the fish ponds at your home.